Hello and welcome back, guys, to yet another video by yours truly, NewYorkSteelo. After a decade, guys, I'm back, and I hate to cover this particular subject we're gonna talk about here. This is what's going on tonight, and while I do have a build process and some other stuff in the works, I wanted to bring this to your attention, guys, because this fish here is suffering, and he's been come here, buddy. Like, look, he even wants me to help him. He's like swimming into my hand, and he's been with me for about 6 months now. He was always acting a little funny with his breathing and stuff, and look, he wants me to help him, and I think he's suffering. And I don't, I have euthanized fish in the past, saltwater fish, but I've used like the freeze method. I'm not doing that. I'm not comfortable with it. I've also heard of like taking the fish out and chopping its head off. I'm not doing that neither. So the fish has been like this for about a week, I'd say. All the other inhabitants are fine. I really, I'd love to know exactly what's wrong with him, but he's totally lost his strength. So aside from that, guys, look at this stand here. So this tank has been up and running since 2008. It's been through war, and you can see it's falling apart here at the seams. So you see, that's not good. And so hence the reason why I'm really I have the equipment and stuff for a setup that I want to do, but I really need the tank stand and sump. And if I can get my hands on it, I can transfer this setup into that tank, that new setup, and then take this one and refurbish it and replace the stand and set this tank up in my room. And so I want to get back into reefing and stuff. And there's a lot that I want to talk about with you guys as I do videos, but right now this is what we're dealing with. A night before Christmas. Oh wow, that did not mean to come out that way, but where is the fish? Oh, here he is. Poor fella. Guys, if you have any suggestions, leave a comment. Peace.